This is a very small mixing board, so there's not much to talk about and there's not much to show other than this one submix fader. So what subgroups and submixes are, let's say you had 4 microphones plugged into 1, 2, 3, and 4. And the rest you have bass guitar, guitar, and drums. Let's say you want to turn all these mics up at the same time and you have a really good mix. Let's say this is the mix you got. It's blending great. To turn them up a little, if you didn't go through the subgroup, you'd have to turn them up all at once like this. And you could mess up your little mix that you have going on. So in order to fix that, the remedy for that is you assign these 4 mic channels to this subgroup. How you do that is you'll need to press the mute button, which is also Alt 3 to 4. Which means when you press this button on each channel and you press this button up here, this engages this fader to be the submix. So if you press in 1, 2, 3, and 4, those are the 4 microphone channels, and then you press in Alt 3 to 4 and you turn this up. So instead of moving all 4 and trying to get a good mix there and you need to turn them all up during certain parts of songs, you have it assigned here. You can just turn this up and down and get a level for all 4 at once. Obviously, if you need more on channel 1, you just turn channel 1 up. It just makes for an easier mix, a more professional mix. Another quick note about channel assignment buttons. As you can see here, there's only 4 buttons. 1-2, 3-4, 5-6, 7-8. All the odd numbers are panned to the left. All the even numbers you pan to the right. That's the basic concept behind having 4 channel assignment buttons and only 1 pan control. Now I'm going to demonstrate an example of how I would use this if I was in a band. Let's say channels 25 through 32 are all drums and percussion. And I want to have a way to turn up all the drums all at once. How I would do this, I would start with channel 25 and I would press in channel assignment button 1-2. and I'd go all the way down the line until I get to channel 32. Then I would take the pan control for each channel and move it to the left. This assigns all the drums to group 1. So now that I have everything assigned to group 1 and everything's turned up, if I need all these drums and percussion to come down a little bit or go up a little bit, all I have to use is this one fader on group 1. Let's do another quick example. Let's say I have 4 vocalists. They're in channels 29 through 32. And I want to assign it to group 8. I would press in channel assignment button 7 to 8 on all the channels. Then I would turn the pan control all the way to the right. Then after I have my mix going on here, and I like this mix, and I need a little bit more vocal, all around vocal, I just turn up the one fader, up and down. And of course, if I need to mix one channel at a time, I can still mix here. But this will give me an overall level if I need to turn all the vocals up or all the vocals down a little bit.